You ever wonder why play, collaboration, and hands-on learning matter so much in early childhood education? Let's talk about constructivist theory and the three thinkers that shape the way we teach today. Let's cover the first one. His name is Jean Piaget. Jean Piaget watched children very closely, and what he observed was that children learn by doing. They are very tactile. They learn from experimenting on their own and getting things right or wrong. There really is no wrong answer, but they construct their own thoughts and understand through their own actions. And one of the most notable experiments was water exploration. Children were able to use a variety of containers of different sizes and shapes, and they were to pour freely into these different vessel sizes and compare and contrast as to what happens and derive their own knowledge to that. No right or wrong answers, just children learning through their own actions. The second theorist is Vygotsky, and Lev noticed something very different. And he noticed that children learn through social interaction. They rarely learned alone. And learning, he argued, was very conversational between a child and a peer, or a child and a teacher, somebody who knows a little bit more than they do. And when an adult models a task and offers guidance, slowly steps back, something remarkable happens. And that is that the child grows, and not just cognitively, but also socially and emotionally. And the third theorist is Bruner. And he believed that children should be allowed to discover ideas for themselves, but not without support. And he coined a term called scaffolding. And scaffolding means just guiding the child with enough information for them to start to take off and learn on their own. This looks like modeling the first steps, give them verbal hints, and observing them, and then just completely give them the task independently. This can be seen when a child is putting together a simple puzzle, and you kind of talk the child through using the proper dialogue to problem solve, kind of asking them questions, how many sides, do you think this shape, if you turn it around, will fit there? Something very simple. And the child doesn't completely learn alone, but does derive the knowledge through the support. And so as the confidence grows, the support dwindles. Today's classrooms are more diverse than ever. And teachers are using open-ended activities that let children show understanding in multiple ways. Technology didn't replace learning. It changed how children explore and collaborate. And as social emotional challenges grow, classrooms rely more and more on conversation and shared problem solving. Constructivist theory and the teachings work because it evolves with the world that children are living in.